Good day everyone, I am Christian J. Mikolov and I'm here to report about the emerging technologies in manufacturing. The manufacturing sector is undergoing a profound transformation driven by advancement in emerging technologies. These technologies are enhancing efficiency, reducing cost, and enabling the creation of new innovative products. This report explores the most significant emerging technologies in manufacturing industry. 4.0 Additive manufacturing, advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, the industrial of things, and augmented reality. So the first one is Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 represents the fourth industrial revolution, characterized by the integration of cyber-physical systems, the Internet of Things, and cloud computing. This technology fosters smart factories where machines are connected, data is analyzed in real time, and processes are optimized autonomously. And additive manufacturing or 3D printing. Additive manufacturing involves creating objects by adding material layer by layer or opposed to traditional subtractive manufacturing. This technology is revolutionizing product design and production process. And number 3 is advanced robotics. Advanced robotics involves the use of robots with enhanced capabilities such as greater dexterity, improved perception of decision-making abilities. These robots can work alongside humans or operate autonomously. And artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML are being leveraged to optimize manufacturing process, predicts maintenance needs, and improve product quality. These technologies analyze large datasets to identify patterns and make informed decisions. And the fifth one is industrial entertainment of things. The industrial entertainment of things, connecting industrial devices to the internet to collect and exchange data. This connectivity enables more efficient and intelligent manufacturing operations. So the sixth one is augmented reality. AR overlays digital information onto the physical world, enhancing the user's perception and interaction with their environment. In manufacturing, AR is used for training, maintenance, and assembly process. The adoption the adoption of emerging technologies in manufacturing is transforming the industry driving innovation, efficiency, and competitiveness from smart factories enabled by Industry 4.0 to the customization of capabilities of additive manufacturing. These advancements are setting the stage for the future of manufacturing. Companies that embrace these technologies will be well positioned to lead in the next industrial revolution. And that is the emerging technologies. And thank you for listening. And
Hello everyone, I'm Erlyn B. Believer and I'm going to report the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things in manufacturing or industrial Internet of Things is a transformative concept where industrial manufacturing processes are enhanced by connecting various devices and systems through the Internet. Here's more detailed explanation. Key components of Internet of Things manufacturing. First is sensors and devices. 2 is connectivity. 3 is data analysis. Example of Internet of Things in manufacturing is smart factories, assist tracking, condition monitoring, and energy management. In conclusion, Internet of Things in manufacturing is revolutionizing the industry by providing manufacturers with the ability to gather and analyze data in real time, leading to increased productivity, reduced cost, and improved product quality. It represents a shift towards more interconnected and intelligent manufacturing processes.
So, good morning everyone. My name is James Aaron de la Cruz and my topic for today is artificial intelligence or AI. So, AI is involving technology that tries to simulate human intelligence using machine. AI compasses various subfields including machine learning and deep learning, which allow system to learn and adapt the novel's way from training data. So, what is AI? So, AI represent artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by the machine, especially computer system. Specific application of AI includes expert system and natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine of version. So, what is artificial intelligence is important. So, artificial intelligence is important for its potential to change how we live, work, and play. It's been effectively used in business to to na automate tasks by humans including customer service work, lead generation, fraud detection, and control. In a number of areas, AI can perform tasks much better than human, particularly when it comes to repetitive, details oriented tasks such as analyzing large number of, of legal documents to ensure relevant fields are properly. AI tools often complete job quickly and with relative few errors because of the massive data set it can process. AI can also give enterprise insight in their operation. They might be aware of the rapidly expanding population of generative AI tools will be important field ranging from education, marketing to product design. So ang AI ko no is nagrepresent sa computer intelligence is for example na is ChatGPT na mga kanabit mga automatic siya nga tools para mas madali atong trabaho. So ang AI is mas bright siya sa human para mas madali siya kanang especially for kanang bitong magama ta og thesis ingana mag-research ta kuha na to type ang most kana ibitaw pinakasikat jud nga na AI ron is kanang ChatGPT. So mao na ginagamit sa karaghanan para mas madali ang trabaho. So for example, mag-search ta dito sa ng AI. Mo-type ta dito is what is the meaning of ingana something. So dali ra kay sila mo kuan muhatag. For example, another example is mag-search sa dito is kana unsay mga pinakanindot nga beaches sa tibok kalibutan. So ang AI is mo represent na sa dayon sa top 10 nga pinakanindot nga beach sa tibok kalibutan. So mo nang AI is mas gamit sa karong panahon na kana especially sa mga modern nga tao kanang pareha nato nga ng mga mas ang ganahan muna to God is karong panahon na is kanang mas madali ang trabaho kay para mas daghan patag man. So mao na siya ang meaning sa na artificial intelligence or AI. So thank you. I hope you learned something.
Machine learning applications in manufacturing technology. Machine learning has revolutionized various aspects of manufacturing technology, offering innovative solutions to improve efficiency, productivity, and decision-making process. Here are some case applications of machine learning in manufacturing. First is fault detection and prediction. Machine learning algorithms such as artificial neural networks and convolution neural networks are used to detect and predict faults in manufacturing process. These models analyze sensor data and identify patterns that indicate potential equipment failures or defects. By detecting faults early, manufacturers can minimize downtime, reduce cost, and ensure product quality. Second is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is a critical application of machine learning in manufacturing. By analyzing historical data, sensor readings, and equipment performance indicators, machine learning algorithms can predict when machines are likely to fail or require maintenance. This proactive approach helps manufacturers schedule maintenance activities, prevent unexpected breakdowns, and optimize equipment performance. Third is quality control and inspection. Machine learning plays a vital role in automating quality control process and inspection tasks by analyzing large volumes of data including image and sensor readings. Machine learning algorithms can identify defects and anomalies and deviations from quality standards. This enables manufacturers to improve product quality, reduce waste, and ensure compliance with industry regulations. Fourth is supply chain optimization. Machine learning algorithms are used to optimize supply chain operation and manufacturing by analyzing historical data, customer demand patterns, and inventory levels. Machine learning models can forecast demand, optimize inventory management, and improve supply chain efficiency. This enables manufacturers to meet customers' demands effectively, reduce cost, and minimize stockouts or overstocking. Fifth is process optimization and control. Machine learning techniques such as support vector machines (SMB) are employed to optimize manufacturing process and control system. By analyzing sensors data in real time, machine learning models can identify process variations, detect anomalies, and optimize process parameters. This improves product quality, reduces waste, and increases operational efficiency. These applications demonstrate how machine learning is transforming manufacturing technology by improving process efficiency, reducing cost, and enhancing product quality. With further research and advancements in machine learning algorithms, manufacturing technology is poised to achieve even greater levels of automation, optimize, and innovation.